Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Halco ProLED RGBW color changing pool and spa fixture 12-volt 33-watt 50-foot cord. All Halco RGBW LED pool light fixtures feature a superior rugged construction that is unmatched in the industry. Lights can also be effectively controlled by most Pentair and Jandy Pool automation systems. These lights provide significant energy and maintenance cost reduction over comparable incandescent lights. Features: colorful options, frosted lens, easy to install and operate, energy efficient, 12-volt 33-watt and 50-foot cord. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.